Today we're going to talk about corrosion on batteries and cables. Welcome to Mercy J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. My name's Rick Smith, and I'm a Master Certified Technician. So let's take a look. This is a Jeep Wrangler, and if you look, this battery has quite a bit of a science project going on. You see all this growth here, some around here, some around here. Now, most of the time I do see more corrosion around the positive cable than the negative, but to be honest, that's a little bit more science than I know the reason for that. But let me explain to you why that corrosion happens. We have a metal post coming up through the battery, and the battery is a plastic case. Now the seal between that metal post and the case can leak a little bit and the vapors come up, and that's what causes the corrosion. Honestly, battery corrosion is a little bit like cancer. We keep it in remission. We don't always get rid of it. So here's what you do. First of all, you put it somewhere where you're not going to stain your driveway or something, and you take a garden hose and you just spray the heck out of it. And you wash it and you wash it and you wash it until all the corrosion's gone. That's the best way to ensure that none of that corrosion stays on anything else and it all gets washed away. So lots of water. Then once you get the corrosion off of there, I like to use plumbing tools. These you can get at any hardware store. On the cable, I use this to clean the inside so I get a good connection. And on the post, I use one of these to do the outside. These are for copper plumbing. Once you do all that, you can put a little bit of grease of some sort. It could be Vaseline. You can even use a spray paint or something to try to seal that section up that we talked about. So I hope this information has been helpful to you on how you can clean it yourself. Otherwise, feel free to have us do it, and we will also test the battery when we do it. So thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.